fun day on Disco Fun.
We're here to wish you a Happy New Year.
Okay.
Now it's time for a little New Year's song made by the Pillow People.
Yeah!
Here we go.
5, 6, 7, 8. Tacos on the run. Tacos on carbon. Tonight be a fun. Yeah!
Share 'em with
Jamon.
Don't give him to Taiwan.
Cause he is not Jamon. Oh no.
They are made in Taiwan. They are
2 for 1.
2
Today only.
If you don't find the taco truck,
the taco truck will find you.
So get your tacos today.
Yeah!
Before we go, Happy New Year!